Hi friends, this is Aruna. I am doing Python full stack batch in Narayana Tech House. Now I am explaining about one Python question, that is write a program to fetch all words which start and ends with consonants. So my given string is Python is simple and easy language. For this one, now we have to split it by using split function. st dot split wherever space is there. Assign to one variable st1. After splitting, it displays like in list format like this. Python easy, simple and easy language. After splitting, displays like this. Now the question is what which starts and ends with consonants. So let's take one empty list. lst equal to empty list. Now for condition, for I in st1. Now condition is what start and ends with consonant, right? Consonants means not in vowels. So if starts with means I of 0. Not in vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And ends with consonants. Ends with means I of -1. Same, not in A, E, I, O, U. Capital A, E, I, O, U. Then append. lst dot append of I. Then print of lst. Now I am doing debugging. What is the first time I value? Python. Let's write here. What is the first time I value? Python. Python. If I of 0 means P. P not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? True. And -1 means last one. N. N not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? True. 2 and 2 becomes true only. Then Python is appending. What is the next time I value? Is. I have 0 means I. I not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? False. And S. -1 means S, right? S not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? It is true. False and true becomes false only. Here no appending. What is the next time I value? Simple. I have 0 means yes. S not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? It is true. And -1 means E, right? E not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? It is false. False and true becomes false only. Here also no appending. What is the next time I value? And. I have 0 means A. A not in A, I, O, U. It is true or false? It is false. And -1 means D. D not in AIOU. It is true or false? It is true. False and true becomes false only. Here also no appending. What is the next time I value? Easy. I have 0 means E. E not in AIOU. It is true or false? It is false. And I of -1 means Y. Y not in AIOU. It is true or false? It is true. True. False and true. It becomes false only. Here also no appending. What is the next time I value? Language. I of 0 means L. L not in AIOU. It is true or false? It is true. And I of -1. -1 means E. E not in AIOU. It is true or false? It is false. False. True and false becomes false only. Here also no appending. What is the last appending? Python. So after if condition, for loop is over. Outside the for loop, print function is there. Print of LST means what is the last one? Python. So the given string contains which starts and ends with consonant means this word only. Thank you.